Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and surprise, surprise, I have another AliExpress haul. Actually, I have ordered some Blythe dolls on sale, and they're coming in at different times because I ordered them from different sellers. And when I did order from the same sellers, I gave it a day and make sure that they packaged them so they didn't cram a bunch in one box. Because I've had that happen. I have Merida here. She is a doll I did a collab with Tammy Polly with. We did a Brave contest between us. That was really fun. Oh, okay. I'm looking at these little boots. I'm like, what do I have here? These were little boots. They're really cute. Let me pull one out. I thought they might fit my midi Blythe. Boy, they look big for her, but because it's a boot, it might work. Oh, is it split up the back or not?
Doesn't look like it.
No, it doesn't. Well, when we split that up the back and try them on, we'll see. I have Laura here too. I just love her. Darren made her a pet, this bat. I am just loving this doll. She just has that Monster High vibe, and I put little bat rings. These are like, oh, this one got crooked. These are like from Halloween rings. I put those in her hair, and I thought these little shoes were perfect for her. Just for fun. Oh, here's my other Blythe doll. This one, I don't want to use these scissors, but I can't find my other ones right now. I will open this one in a minute. Those are blind boxes. They seem to be, Hasbro licensed little Blythe dolls. So they're inexpensive and they're cute, and I thought I'd get a couple, so I did. Again, I ordered one and waited, which maybe if I ordered two together, they'd send me two different, but let's be serious, you know. Okay, I got this girl. I bought a girl the other day. Maybe you saw my video. I got her just to cut her hair. I got this one just to style her hair to see if I could. When I opened Merida, yeah, I'm afraid to open her. When I opened Merida, her hair grew because it kept going. How am I going to check her eyes but not open her? And she doesn't have a faceplate. What is this sending me dolls without faceplates? I don't like it. Let's see, since that's over there, let's see if I can open her but not take that off her hair. It really does. It just starts springing out and growing. It's really funny.
Can't you shove her back in the bag?
Well, I could, but that would disrupt her hair too. Here we go. This is what we're going to do. Oh, it's such a big poof, I can't.
Nothing to grab but hair.
Okay, her eyes.
Pull her hair.
Her eyes work. Oh, it's getting in her eyes. See what I'm saying? It just I love this hair. Love, love, love this hair. I have some ideas I want to try just for fun. So I bought her for that. Okay. Let's open the little blind box girl. It's already open, huh? Really got smashed up, even with the inside that bubble wrap. Okay, I'm not going to show you who it is. I've seen that you can see who it is by the card. Isn't this cute? They even have a little Blythe stand. Where's the top part? Well, maybe it works. Oh, I see. I see. Okay, I get it.
Pokes in the back of her head or something?
Pokes in the, yeah. All right, it is a Takara-inspired stand. Oh, and each side is separate. Okay, think it goes, sure it does, like this. Oh, she's smaller than I thought. All right, let's see who I did get. You know I'm gonna want them all. Ugh. These Blythes, I'm so smitten, and I can't stay off the Pin her Blythe page. Oh, she's broken. Let's see if we can put her back together. Yep, not a problem, but it does make me angry. They smashed my plate. And look, she has a little dog. She has a little dog. How cute. They're like Hasbro, only way different. They're tiny, but they're not, I think they're, don't you think that's about the same size as Hasbro? The Littlest Pet Store?
Well, the head's certainly smaller.
Oh,
though.
yeah. But I mean, it's not that much smaller of a doll, and it has a pet. How cute. So this sticks in her back. See the little hole? Stick this in her back, kind of. Not really. Let's do it to the side and see if we can turn it. There we go. Okay, that's really, really, really cute. These were also on sale. I got a couple. Oh, I got another one coming. Okay, and what I what I hid from you was when you open your box, I think this is silly, but it has the who it is in there. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.